What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are connecting GLM-5, China's brand new 745 billion parameter AI to n8n completely for free. Every time someone fills out your contact form, GLM-5 automatically writes a personalized reply and sends it straight to your Telegram. No manual work, just pure AI automation. Let's get into it. So first, let me show you the landing page we are working with. This is Autoflow AI, a complete agency website with a hero section, features, pricing, FAQ, and a contact form at the bottom. And here is the cool part. I actually built this entire website using GLM-5 on Z.ai. I just gave it one detailed prompt describing the colors, the sections, everything I wanted, and it generated the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in just a few minutes. Pretty impressive, right? And look at this design. It is clean, it is dark, it is professional. This is a well-designed landing page that any business could actually use, and GLM-5 built it from scratch with just one prompt. Now to connect GLM-5 to n8n, we need an API key. And honestly, I want to be transparent with you here because I know you guys appreciate that. I first went to Z.ai, the official platform, signed up, created an API key, everything looked good. But when I actually tested it, I got this error saying insufficient balance. So basically, Z.ai requires you to add credits before you can use the API. It is not free. So I went looking for an alternative and I found OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a platform that gives you access to hundreds of AI models, including GLM-5. And when you sign up, you get free credits with no credit card required. So go to openrouter.ai, sign up, go to API keys, create a new key, and you are good to go. That is what we are using today. Alright, now let's jump into n8n. So I have already set up the workflow and I will put the download link in the description so you can just import it directly for free. When you look at the workflow, you will see 4 nodes. The first one is the webhook. This is the trigger that receives the data whenever someone submits the contact form. The second node is the GLM-5 API call. This is where the magic happens. The third node is Telegram. This sends us the full lead details plus the AI reply directly to our phone. And the fourth node is the webhook response. This just sends a confirmation back to the user so they know their message was received. Now let me walk you through how the GLM-5 node is set up, because this is the important part. Click on the HTTP request node. The method is post. Then in the URL field, you are going to paste the OpenRouter API endpoint. I will put the link in the description so you can just copy it directly. Now, for authentication, select generic credential type, then choose Bearer Auth, create a new credential and paste your OpenRouter API key in there. Hit save. Now scroll down to the body section. Set the body content type to raw and the content type to application/JSON. Now this is where we tell GLM-5 what to do. In the body, we pass the model name, which is Z.ai/GLM-5. That tells OpenRouter which model we want to use. Then we have 2 messages. The system message is basically the instructions we give to GLM-5. We tell it that it is an assistant for Autoflow AI and it should write a short, friendly, personalized reply when someone submits the contact form. Then the user message is where we pass the actual form data, the name, email, company, interest, and message from the lead. So every time the workflow runs, GLM-5 gets all that real information about the person and writes a reply specifically for them. That is why no 2 replies are ever the same. Now for connecting the landing page, copy the webhook URL from the webhook node. Then go back to Z.ai and just ask GLM-5 to update the contact form JavaScript to send the form data to that webhook URL. GLM-5 will update the code for you automatically. Copy it back to your index.html file. And now the form is connected. For Telegram, open the Telegram node, go to Credentials and create new. You need a bot token from Botfather. Just open Telegram, search for Botfather, type new bot, follow the steps, and it gives you a token. Paste that in. Then get your chat ID by searching for user info bot on Telegram. Start it and it immediately shows you your ID. Paste that in the chat ID field and you are done. Okay. So now the moment of truth. Let me show you this working live right now. I am filling in the contact form. Name is Sarah Johnson. Email sarah@techstartup.io. Company Tech Startup. She is interested in AI agents. And her message is she wants to automate her customer support and reduce response time from 2 hours to under 2 minutes. Let me hit send. Okay, now watch n8n. You can see all the nodes turning green one by one. Webhook received the data. GLM-5 is processing it. Telegram notification sent, done. The whole thing ran in under a second. Now let me open Telegram and show you what arrived. Oh wow, look at this. We got the full lead details. Name, email, company, interest, message, everything. And then look at the GLM-5 reply. It says, "Hi Sarah, thanks for reaching out. Reducing customer support response time from 2 hours to under 2 minutes is exactly the kind of transformation our AI agents excel at. We would love to show you how Autoflow AI can automate your support workflows and deliver that level of speed. One of our specialists will follow up with you shortly to schedule a quick demo." Talk soon. Come on. It mentioned her exact problem. It is warm and professional. And GLM-5 wrote that completely automatically without me doing anything. Let me do one more to show you that every reply is completely different. This time I am filling in Marcus Rivera from Growth Hub. His problem is they get 500 leads per month, but his team is manually following up with every single one. He needs to automate this urgently. Hit send. And look at the Telegram notification, completely different reply. "Hi Marcus, handling 500 leads manually every month sounds like a real challenge, and I can see why automation is a priority for your team." At Autoflow AI, we specialize in building automated follow-up systems that ensure no lead slips through the cracks. GLM-5 understood his exact situation and wrote a totally different personalized message. This is not a template, guys. The AI is actually reading and understanding each submission and crafting a unique response every single time. And that is it. Honestly, this is one of my favorite automations I have built. GLM-5 built the landing page, and it is also powering the automation behind it all for free through OpenRouter. Every time someone submits that form, whether it is 3 a.m. or the middle of the day, GLM-5 is working, writing personalized replies and sending them straight to your Telegram automatically. The workflow JSON is in the description. Just import it, add your API key and Telegram credentials, and you are good to go. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more free automation tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.